Welcome to another video of Airpal, checking our Airpal SSB dual band transceiver. So now the Airpal is housed into a cabinet. This cabinet was for Easy BITX, but it is also doubling up as a cabinet for Airpal. So the Airpal new cabinet also will be around the same size. So now we have the Airpal. So what you see here, we got 7 megahertz. If you press this, we are on 14 megahertz. So I will give a check on 20 meter band. So we have out here Yasu FT707 transceiver, and we have as WR bridge. So now I will give a demo of this set, which is properly housed in a cabinet. So I will modulate now, and you can see the frequency is 14.200. So I will now switch this also to 14.200. I had to calibrate the crystal. In fact, I had to change the crystal of the module, SI5351 module, because the crystal was not correct. So I had to use another crystal. It is non-SMD crystal what I am using. There was a problem with this module, but changing the crystal made it okay. So now you can see we will be transmitting on 14.200. My set is also on 14.200. Now I will modulate. This is my mic. So here you go. Hello, 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 secure, secure, hello, secure, 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 hello, hello, hello. So I'm getting a power around 3 watts if I see. Hello, secure, secure, secure. Victor, Uniform 3 Sugar, United Alpha. Victor, United 3 Sugar, Uniform Alpha. Hello. So you see, the set is on 14.2. It is calibrated to the Yasu transceiver, which is also on 14.2, and the quality of audio is good. Hello, secure, secure. Sorry, I don't know how to whistle properly, so I am modulating in my voice only. This is in 5 watt range, and I am getting output of 3 watts. Okay, now we'll change this. Now we'll change this to 7 megahertz. Now we are on 7050, and now I'll change this to 7050. Okay, I'll transmit now. The set is also on 7050. This is also on 7050. This is a meter. I think so it will cross the 5 watt meter, you can see. So it's crossed 5 watts. Now let me go to the 20 watt range. Hello, secure, secure, secure. Hello, secure, secure, secure. Hello, secure, secure, secure. Secure, secure, secure. Checking Airtel transceiver. Hello, CQ, CQ. Checking Airtel transceiver. Hello, CQ. Hold, 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 hold. So I'm getting around 7 to 8 watts. Hold, hold. I'm on the 20 watt range. So you saw the demo now, the final one. Hold, 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 hold. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Hello, CQ, hello, CQ. Checking Airpal, checking Airpal. Hello, 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 hello. So you see, I give you a demo of the working Airpal transceiver, which is looking pretty good now, housed into a cabinet. This can be used for SOTA or POTA, whatever you want to use it, wherever you want to use it. Some finishing and touching is still required. I'll do it adding this headphone and LED light. So when this is fully enclosed, I will give another video. So I'll say goodbye and 73s. Take care, and I hope when you purchase this Airpal transceiver, you would enjoy building it. Thank you.